Okay guys, now you have all three of these arrangements. I showed you arrangement 1 in the first video called arrangement 1. Number 2, I showed you that one. And number 3. Now, let me know what you guys think. As I told you in the previous videos that I'm just playing around with this. I went out and purchased some new home decor. Just want to bring you guys in. Just want you guys to look at it, tell me what you think. I want to interact with you guys and get to know you better. You can get to know me better. And that way, we can have a good time doing this kind of stuff, okay? So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead on and do so at this time. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you'll know each time I upload a new video. And hit that share button. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm sounding off. See you in the next video. See you in the future. The future looks good on you. Bye-bye.